In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram step by step, so you can access chats and media that may be hidden by Telegram's filtering settings. This is a quick and easy process, and I'll walk you through it carefully so you can follow along even if you've never changed these settings before. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram web in your browser and sign in to your Telegram account. Once you're logged in, look to the top left corner and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings. This is where Telegram keeps the main options for your account, appearance, and privacy controls. After that, click on Privacy and Security. This section contains the settings that control what content Telegram filters and what content it allows you to view. Now scroll down until you find the Sensitive Content section. Depending on your account and region, this option may be a little further down the page, so take your time and look carefully. Once you find it, turn on Disable Filtering. This is the setting that allows Telegram to stop hiding sensitive content from your view. After enabling it, you may need to refresh Telegram web for the change to take effect. Just reload the page, then reopen the chat or channel you want to view. In many cases, the content will now appear normally without being blocked by the filter. If it still doesn't show right away, try closing the chat and opening it again, or refresh one more time to make sure the new setting is active. And that's it. You've successfully enabled sensitive content on Telegram web. It only takes a minute once you know where the setting is, and now you can view content that was previously filtered. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.